Welcome to my shoe closet. I spent a whole year renovating my house, and let me tell you, this is the room I'm most excited about. Before I do the tour, do you guys remember what it looked like before?
This was what the room looked like before. It was literally just like a plain ass room. I took some ideas off Pinterest and literally built it up myself, with the help of Pearlworks, obviously, but we built the whole thing from scratch. You know, the shelves, the lights, the everything.
And now, after the longest damn time ever, it's this.
So this is the finished closet.
All of my shoes are over here, and then my purse children are over here and up there and everywhere.
Gorgeous see-through doors.
Oh my God, it's like a store. It obviously still needs a doorknob. I'm thinking one like this, but I'll get to that. As well as a chandelier, because that is crusty. Even made this gold, just for a little spice.
Over here, I had these giant mirrors put in. Oh my gosh, beautiful.
So I could do, you know, outfit of the day. Today's outfit of the day brought to you by black turtlenecks, H&M, and of course, my jewelry.
We got these super cute little new heart necklaces for Valentine's Day that I'm wearing. So super fabulous, and a bunch of other gems.
You guys want a cop? You can shop that below.
We'll start with my shoes because obviously this is a shoe closet tour, though like I said, I also keep my purses in here, so I'll get to those in a second, but voila. These are my shoes, my children. I absolutely love them. Oh, 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 oh. Had a thing for shoes my whole life, and let me tell you, it just keeps getting stronger by the day. This pair is my firstborn designer shoe. These are Prada Runway. The heel on these is just insane, so cool. By the way, please excuse the fact that I did not shave my legs for this video. I forgot, sorry. But these absolutely slap. Gorgeous. Ooh, so stinking cool. I have a bunch of notable pairs. I also love these. These are my Louboutin red bottoms that say sex. So hot, wow. Amazing first date shoe if you want to make a really interesting first impression. Hitting, obviously, kind of, like and subscribe. Believe it or not, that's not my only pair of shoes that say sex. These are Runway Dolce & Gabbana. Ugh, like, again, so hot. My Carrie Bradshaw Manolo Blahnik wedding shoes. You guys remember I got these in my New York shopping spree? This is actually a signed shoebox by the cast of Sex and the City. I just love that show, and I thought that was a cool thing to buy. You shop as much as I do, you start buying really weird things. Love to buy shoes that are just really unique, kind of like art pieces, like all the pearls. These are just so beautiful. How about these? These are amazing. These are Saint Laurent, but look at that. Oh, this says Appelle-moi, which in French is call me. So sexy. And shockingly, not at all hard to walk in. Goes good with my little French tattoo, eh? So spicy. These are cool. These are Gucci and make it look like you're walking on diamonds. I love these. Full diamonds. We have these Cinderella Renee Calvillas. Oh, so beautiful. Also like the most photogenic shoe on earth. By the way, I've posted these on Instagram like at least 10 times. Really love the concept of like shoes as art pieces because that's what fashion is. It's like living art. So I love shoes that just have a little extra twist. Isn't that cute? Prada, pretty cool. You know, shoes that are just really different, I really, really like. These are another pair that are also some of my favorites. These are Sophia Webster. Look at that, the butterfly heel. Another super photogenic pair. Again, art. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous Jimmy Choos as seen on Beyonce. Huh! And as seen on me in this video. Wow. Most of my shoes and things in this closet, actually, you guys have seen me buy on camera. Like, I bought these in Japan. Speaking of Japan, I also got these boots in Japan. Do you guys remember those? Honestly, Gucci Gucci. I stay loving these. P.S. if you're wondering how I got most of them to stand up straight, it's these cool little boot stander-upper things I got on Amazon. As long as your boots don't have some kind of wonk-ass attitude, they make them stand up fabulously. Michu, we got Fendi, the Gucci's. These are Louboutin boots. I've actually never worn these. I should put them on. They will not stand up. Oh no. Great. Dolce and Gabbana. Oh, these are super cool. These are Versace. Look at this. Ooh. They're like a velvety leather. Gorgeous. Like, bye. How fun are these? Ooh. So fire. All my Louboutins. Oh my gosh. Oof. Keep all my sneakers over here. I freaking love sneakers. I just think they're so fun, especially when you can get like all sorts of different cool ones. And as much as I do love high heels, I'd be wearing sneakers 99% of the time. So right now in the winter, let me tell you, it's Uggs. I'm only glamorous on the internet. Secret safe with all 3 million of ya. So aside of shoes, I obviously also have my purses in here, which, not gonna lie, most of which were purchased to match shoes. Like, I am literally, if you give a moose a muffin, but IRL with shoes and bags. Like, ta-da! Wait for it. Ta-da! Matching shoes, matching. So freaking fire. I am very obsessed with a good Louis Vuitton matching moment. So cute. I got this bag to match these shoes. By the way, my closet design was inspired obviously by Kim and Kylie's shoe closets. I just thought they were so fabulous. So obviously I took a little inspo from them and gave it my own twist. Also where the video editing style of this video came from. In case you can't tell, I'm trying to make it slightly more professional. I do not be a professional bitch though, so probably just as chaotic as usual and you couldn't even tell. But anyways, in Kylie's video, they asked her which bag she would take if her house was on fire. This bag. This was my very first designer purchase ever. This is Versace. Legitimately buying this bag was one of the happiest days of my life. You know, a little proof of all your dreams coming true. By the way, bitch also do be having the matching shoes. This is fire. Like, this just goes too hard. Real life Cinderella, I tell ya. I got these shoes separately on Poshmark years and years later for like half off, so love it, ha ha ha. That's another Cinderella story. If something's meant for you, they'll find you, even in shopping. Aren't these so cool? These were from a Lady Gaga music video. So cool. These shoes match this bag. Ugh, so good. Like, wow. None of these were gifts, by the way. I bought them all myself. Almost all of my bags are vintage. I just think that vintage bags are so much cooler than the new bags. I love vintage fashion. It's just like one of the only true forms of time travel, you know? Like, this really was from way back in the day, and now it's like living a whole nother life with me. It's so, oh, I just like, I could romanticize that forever, but it's so cool. It's like living art history. So cool. How about these shoes to match this bag? Look how cool these are. Like, these shoes are so cool. From the same runway show. Like, you know, it just gives it that certain je ne sais quoi of all the cool ass women who wore it before. Chanel Spring Summer 1995. Oh! The most iconic Karl Lagerfeld Chanel show ever done. I bought this bag for $4,500. Just a couple years later, it is worth a whopping $45K. I don't bet on stocks, but I do bet on myself and Chanel. I'm not selling that though. Never. I do actually buy and trade and sell fashion all the time. I sell stuff and buy stuff on Poshmark. If you guys want to follow me on there you go. I have a bunch of new stuff I just listed on there actually. So if you want to shop some of my closet, that's where I like sell all my stuff. Literally all the time. Because I'm shopping all the time. It's my job. You know, they do say do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life. Every single bag that I have has a story. I know exactly where I got it from, when, what its whole like life background is. Obviously my Birkin, you guys remember that video. Honestly, this was supposed to be a shoe closet video and it's turning into my purse collection. I'll keep it short and sweet for now, unless of course you guys want Amber's like purses the movie, Amber's shoes the movie. Absolutely could be feature-length films. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do that. I'll do that. Oh, you know what actually I really should do? I should do a what's in my bag video. Do people still watch those? I don't know, that would be really funny. I'm gonna do a what's in my bag video. Early 2000s Louis Vuitton. Again, more art. Dolce and Gabbana. Honestly, I want to live in this room. How weird would it be if I slept in here? Super weird, probably. My sister tried it though. embarrassing, I still keep my first ever pair of super fake Louboutins that I bought on some now banned website. Look at this, they like literally deteriorated and I'm sure have toxins in them. And I still have that Chanel box I stole out of a trash can when I was driving for Postmates. You know, never forget where I came from. Some really nice Oprah quote about shoes, but I can't remember it right now. So how about this, my version? Same bitch, better shoes. You know, like Ariana says, happiness is the same price as red bottoms. Nah, money can't buy you happiness, but my God, it can buy you a fucking phenomenal ass closet. So thanks. Couldn't have done it without you. Back to my cheesy ass usual self. You guys know this is my fantasy. I mean, if you've been watching me for any amount of time, you know this is a dream come true. You know, 2016 me who built that little DIY IKEA wall with knockoffs I bought on AliExpress. You know, she'd be so proud. I literally walk by this every night and gasp, like I said in my mood board video. Man, I dreamed it. Thanks for watching. To the next dream. XO. Happiness is the same price as red bottoms. I'm gonna fall over, okay.